What's up YouTube? Jeffrey here, Raz-Barry Construction. What we got today is a condo, doing some floor prep, running the grinders. We had some thin set, drywall mud, mastic. This condo's been here a bit, so it's probably had multiple floorings in here, so just getting it cleaned up and floor prepped for tile. So we got a little bit of floating. Let me flip the camera around. These edges dip down a little bit, so we'll probably be floating out from here in. Got a nice view today. Can't beat it. And we have these edges over here that dip down and also need to be floated, so probably be floating back a few feet. And you can see here, most of this we've already grinded. Put some footage in of that. All we got left is to do some edge grinding. One bathroom, edge grind in here. Stackable washers, closet, and another bathroom. So gonna be knocking that out, put some footage of the grinding in, and probably add some footage of the floating out the floor. So generator's definitely great, runs a planetary grinder, no issues. So let y'all enjoy this nice view right here for a little bit. So right here you see us mixing up the Sika self-leveling cement. There was no running water in the condo, so we had to bring our own. We mixed it up pretty much by what it said, 1 gallon per bag, and you see us right here dumping it out using the 4-foot screed, and it self-leveled very nicely, where it'll make a good transition when the tile. All right, here we go, all cleaned up. All the thin sets up, edges are floated, and ready for some tile. So all the floors have been grinded. The tile will definitely bond better. 1 bathroom, 2nd bathroom, and the other bedroom. So we were able to kind of grind some high spots down here, and that's gonna be it for this one.